In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your background in a Microsoft Teams meeting. Whether you're setting up for a professional conference call or just want a fun, personal touch for your chat, adjusting your background can make all the difference. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure you have the perfect backdrop for whatever occasion you're prepping for. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the website teams.microsoft.com. This is your starting point. When you arrive at the site, you'll see a prompt to sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. Enter your details to access the main dashboard of Microsoft Teams. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to start a meeting. Head over to the Calendar tab, which you'll find on the left side menu. Click on it, and you should see the option to meet now. This feature allows you to kickstart a meeting with just a couple of clicks, so go ahead and select it to proceed. Now that your meeting has begun, take a look near your camera icon. You'll notice a small downward-pointing arrow right next to it. Clicking on this will give you the access you need to make some fun adjustments to your video settings. This simple click reveals a few more options to personalize your meeting experience. The next step is to click on More Video Effects and Settings. This is where you can start customizing. If you hover over this area, a range of choices will appear, allowing you to either choose from a collection of pre-existing backgrounds or to upload a new one entirely. For instance, if you want something professional, like an office layout, you could find a suitable image and upload it. Alternatively, if you're going for something lively or creative, you might decide to upload a trendy, colorful design. Whatever you decide, this is your moment to make your virtual background truly yours. After you've selected or uploaded your desired background, all that's left to do is click Apply. By doing this, your background choice will be set in motion instantly. You'll see the changes are applied immediately, ensuring that what appears behind you during meetings is just the way you want it. This immediate application feature is beneficial when you're in a rush to set things up right before a meeting begins. By following these steps, you've successfully personalized your Microsoft Teams meeting background, turning your virtual chats into a tailored experience that suits your taste and needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this makes your next video call a little more stylish and fun.